This is my first visit to Croatia as the commander of the 31st Fighter Wing. The Air Force and my team at Aviano Airbase appreciate our long-standing close cooperation with the Croatian Armed Forces. With over 4,000 active duty military, 2 F-16 squadrons, and our rescue capability, our airbase is relevant to every NATO partner throughout Europe. Croatia is a valued partner to us, and I look forward to meeting with Croatian Air Force leadership on this trip to Croatia and strengthening our relationship even further. Our partnership continues to deepen, and even in these difficult times through COVID and the pandemic and the recent earthquakes here, the United States military continued to and will continue to partner with Croatia and the Croatian Armed Forces. We in the Air Force are proud to have served with the Croatians for more than 25 years. The Croatian Armed Forces are known throughout NATO for its professionalism, competence, and capability. It's been a privilege to work with Croatians on all fronts to strengthen the security between the United States and across Europe. Lastly, the U.S. Air Force and my entire team at Aviano Airbase want to take this moment to wish the Croatian Armed Forces and all Croatians a happy 30th anniversary. Sretan rođendan. We look forward to many more decades of cooperation to come.